Oh wait, there is one flank I can do.
Oh,
What the?
What the hell?
Someone's dying.
Yeah, are you okay?
What? What is it? You good?
Someone's dying.
Is
that a fire alarm?
Today?
Are one of you guys an EMT? Are you at work?
Hello? What was
I
that?
could flank Loki.
Should I save Loki?
Oh, it's Doki. Doki's getting flatlined.
I don't know. Whatever you want, bro.
Our team captain is dead.
Loki. Okay.
Who am I banning?
Our captain.
Just ban him more. Fuck it.
Where is he?
we should just say he like lagged out.
Yeah, I wrote our captain died. No more. Okay, our mental's cooked. Guys, lock in!
Oh, it actually is a fire alarm. Oh, okay.
Oh.
Holy. Turn that shit back on if you don't have to get kicked out.
Wait, they didn't ban either.
I'll listen to the beeps.
You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Good bands.
The band Venom.
This is fun.
You guys like crumbled down when I stopped.
Are you okay?
Yo,
Understand. How? Oh my god.
I'm not a team leader. I'm not a team leader.
I heard the fire alarm and it scared me.
Wait, fuck it. I'm going Mr. Fantastic. Nah, I'm going Boink. I'm going.
Fuck it.
It's fine. I can just die in a fire.
Is it like a real alarm? Are you okay?
Keep it on.
No, sometimes it's not real. I can't tell
Is
anymore.
it like a test alarm?
I can't tell.
Beep, beep. Maybe it's like syncopation. Maybe we need it to be playing so it gets everyone's heads just constantly moving.
Oh, I'm actually locked in now. I'm actually locked in.
So I was gonna should wait. It's fine, right?
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3,
No, we fight. We go.
1.
Okay.
All you need to do is
This guy's talking in game too. That's how locked in he is.
But I think we go right on this map, but I don't know. Hello's like kind of front line left. Think it out.
No.
The healers are like. Can we look hello? Can we look hello?
I got hell. I got
Think. Maybe healers? Can we walk in the healers?
I like the cold.
Healers. Got it.
Adam's up top behind us.
Oh, I'm fucking beating the shit out of him.
It's okay.
I busted on him.
All we needed was Iron Face.
I'm beating the shit out of him.
Shit.
Equal to its destination.
Yo, can we hear the fire alarm real quick?
Sure.
I need a
sure,
mental.
sure.
Yes.
Hey, yeah.
We have to win or America's under
Ooh,
siege.
you ult first. Okay.
5 minutes later.
The final 10 seconds.
It's last fight. Might as well.
I can't really get much there.
It's last fight.
Yeah, I know. Strange good eye.
Damn.
Is this stallable?
I mean.
Guys, the fire alarm hasn't stopped.
I mean, we literally don't care about hearing it. You know you can talk, right?
Guys, no, but the fire alarm hasn't
Who
stopped.
cares?
I'm a little. I don't think this is a false alarm anymore.
I shine in
You have to.
the right.
I mean, we could replay one round.
I don't
Hey,
know.
if you have to go, you gotta go.
I mean, if it's a fire, you should probably.
I don't know if it's. I don't know.
Flashback.
I can't really get much there.
It's last fight.
Yeah, I know.
They're saying they cheated. Oh,
Round 2.
oh, they're gonna get trouble.
Wouldn't it be fabulous to have an all superhero band?
Oh, they did
They'll be
cheat.
coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
Oh,
You promise me you'll take it easy out there, Susie.
Use money from tournament for a new apartment.
4, 3,
Wait.
I'm checking if they're portal.
A few moments later.
Wow.
No way.
Fuck one.
Alarm
Everybody's
stopped.
getting away with 1 HP.
The alarm stopped.
The alarm
Yippee!
stopped. I think I'm okay.
We're safe. I was unlucky. The universe didn't want us to win that.
Yeah, that's life sometimes, isn't it?
Should I just like play healer? Like, all good.
I had 13 final hits. Like, they were just getting fucking killed.
I'm
Like,
gonna
go
check
see.
if like
Yeah, you should go
my
check outside.
fire is burning up my building right now. I'll be right back.
I.
I mean, the elevators are working, so I assume it's not a fire.
I think
Maybe
if
it's
it
just
was a real
testing.
fire,
Maybe it's just
somebody would have
testing.
got you. Somebody would have been like,
I
hey,
feel like
it's
they would
real.
have said stuff because you can say stuff in the intercom with the fire alarm, and nobody say
What
anything.
if the intercom burned?
Oh, that's true. I don't think it's an actual fire.
iPhone 8
because,
user.
That's Calvin.
Oh shit.
because like, because there are people that went back to their apartment. They went back to their
Central Park.
room. So they went back to their. I saw one person like come out of the I saw some people come out of the elevator to go back to their room. So I assume everything is okay. I just think, I don't know, maybe like someone fucking started a mini fire or something and it was just okay. I don't know, but like I'm okay now.